I'm back. Say my name.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, Stephen I for my fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Merry Christmas to you. We are certainly in that perfect time of the season of the year, the Christmas spirit season. This particular video I'm bringing together with you regarding another strategy that you can apply within these high frequency trading platforms. And basically, I've been doing a lot of sorry about that. I've been doing a lot of practice and applying some strategies, simple strategies with this wonderful platform, Plus 500. This is one particular platform. It's a CFD platform that I apply some of these strategies in the practice mode before you apply them in real life. This particular strategy is about opening up two simultaneous trades of the same asset or currency pair. Now you might ask, why would I want to do that? Remember, it is a strategy. So when I'm speaking in this moment of time regarding this video of this particular strategy, we are talking about a strategy, a plan, a system that you can probably apply in your trading processes. So as I said, if you're opening up two simultaneous trade of one particular asset or commodity or stock, there's a reason why. As I said, it's a strategy. So let me apply it for you, then I'll explain a little bit later. I'm going to take a trade of here we go. We'll pick a currency pair, a pretty good one, hopefully, not just any one. I'm going to try and see if we can pick a relatively pretty good pair. Here's one, I think, Euro GPY, sorry. We'll check the chart. Okay, it's reasonable, but not. I'd like it to have some sort of big movement, like this one up here. You know, a pretty volatile. So to see it work, so I'm not going to pick that one. Let's try GBP USD. Okay, that looks a bit like what I'm looking for. Now, opening up two simultaneous trades of the same asset, it's quite simple. I've got plenty of equity there. I can apply here. I've got about 3,800 there. So I'm going to open up GBP USD, both at the same time. When I say at the same time, relatively within range. Sell, then purchase buy at the same price, exactly the same price, relatively at the same time. So both positions open at the same time. As you can see they're both open at the same, relatively at the same time. See how they're losing it and gaining at a similar sort of rate. It's not going to be perfect, but anyway, you might ask, what is the heck? Why is it for? Okay, let me go back to one of my opening positions. Here's one of my open positions. The reason being is this. Remember, it's a strategy. Here's one particular currency pair I have opened a trade on sale, and one right directly opposite with this buy. And notice one is down and one is up. This is the pure reason why this particular strategy I'm showing in this video. Notice one is down. Good. This is the key. So you're not just playing the market at one end and expecting it to go in your favor. I'm not saying you leave it to this sort of loss before you do what is called close. The reason I lifted this high so you can see and appreciate what can happen applying the strategy, opening two simultaneous trades of the same asset at the same time. Relatively, so you can know for sure which one is going to pay you money. And the one that's not paying you money, you simply close the trade off at however much you want it to be. I mean, in some cases, the trade might take a little while before it shows its true movement. You don't have to leave it to lose $8,000. I just left it there that much so you can see and appreciate. Yes, it can go both ways. But I'm really after the winning trade. This losing trade of the same asset is really just an indicator, so I know it's not going against me or going with me. So I'm really just using both sides of the trade, both sales and buy, to see which one is stronger. I know it's a little bit of an unethical sort of way of trading, but you can probably apply it in a small amount, you know, small trades or small volumes to see which way is the currency pair or the stock is moving. Then you delete the one that's losing. It's simple as that. But it depends on your balance also, of course. You might only wait to lose, say, $10, and then you close that trade off and allow the one that's making money to continue. So in this process, I'm going to close this one off because I can see it's pretty strong. This asset is actually, it's pretty strong going downwards. So I'm going to leave it going downwards for a while and close off the one that's losing money. Pretty simple. I hope you understand what I mean. But I'm not saying you leave all your losing trade, you lose that amount of money. I'm just leaving it up there to give you an idea of a strategy. Here's another particular one here also, Euro USD. Notice there's two, one sell and one buy, and one is on the money and one is off the money. I'm just using the losing trade as an indicator to show me that it's strong where the money is flowing up on a sell position and leave it going. So I'll close this one off. And I'm on my money with the one it's strong. But mind you, even though you're closing off the trade that's off the money, as long as your balance, you notice the balance up the top here, and watch it when it changes. See, your balance sort of comes back to relatively where it should be. So you're making money all the time using this strategy, but I encourage you, don't allow your losing trade to lose $8,000 as I've shown you here. I'm just using it as a reference to show you the strategy, how it works. Here's a couple here I just opened this morning. It's not on the money on the reflections, but in due time it will show me which way this particular asset is going to move, whether it be sell or buy. And then I just leave it going for a little while, maybe allow it to go into a loss, the losing position, to say, what, $1,000, then I close it off. It's only $1,000 I'll lose, but I will gain on the opposite side that's making money. Hey, that's awesome, isn't it? I hope you apply some of this strategy. As you notice, it's starting to work in their favor as we're talking about. It's showing it's favoring the sell at this stage. But that's why you apply it, allow the market to do its thing, and all you do is watching which way it's going. Because you and I know, if you're only picking, say, sell, for example, if the market goes against you, you lose all that position. But if you apply the two simultaneous trade at the same time, you'll notice later on which side that the market's going to favor, and then you capitalize on that. But anyway, you have a Merry Christmas. Love your family. Love everyone around you. Stay away from scams. Keep right away from scams, or determine anyway, or discern which is scam. And trade successfully. God bless you. We'll see you in my next video. This is Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Bye for now.
Say my name.